Hello friends, in the series of Governor Generals of Bengal, we are going to discuss about the Lord Cornwallis, who was the Governor General of Bengal between the period that is 1796 to 1803. Now during this Governor General or during the period of this Governor General Lord Cornwallis, several reforms had taken place during this period, and those reforms we are going to discuss during this slide or this video, and your concept or the questions that comes in the examination related to the Governor General of Bengal between the period 1796 to 1803. Now there are several things which are attributed to the governorship of Lord Cornwallis. He was the first governor to codify the laws. He codified the laws, that means he gave the status, the legal status to the laws. The appropriate codification was done, and apart from this, he separated the revenue administration from the administration of justice. That means revenue was separated from the justice. He was the one who had introduced Ijardari system. He is called as the father of the permanent settlement system. The another word for the permanent settlement is Zamindari system. This Zamindari system, it is to be called as the sunset laws. The Zamindari system, it is to be called as the sunset law. Now the question might come in your mind, why it was called as the sunset law? It was called as the sunset law because on the particular day, the Zamindars were bound to submit the taxes, deposit the taxes with the British officials, and if at all they failed to do so, the action was being initiated against them to the extent that they might be debarred from the post of Jamindari. So this Jamindari system, it was introduced during the tenure of Lord Cornwallis. So he is called as the father of Jamindari system, or the Permanent Settlement Act. It was introduced, and that too in the province of Bengal. So, and another thing which is attributed during his tenure, that he created the post of district judge. That means he introduced several judicial reforms, the administrative reforms in the country, and another system, that is land revenue system, what we call it as the Permanent Settlement Act, or the Jamindari system, or the sunset law. These are all three words which are together attributed with the Jamindari system, which was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. And he is also known as the father of civil services in India. That means the present system that we have got Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission, but for the recruitment of the officials during the British regime, he was the one who had introduced the civil services system in India. Apart from that, during his tenure, the third Anglo-Mysore War had taken place. The third Anglo-Mysore War had taken place, wherein Tipu Sultan he was defeated, and he was forced to sign the Treaty of Srirangapatnam. Tipu Sultan was defeated and he was forced to sign the Treaty of Srirangapatnam. So, and last but not the least, he undertook these several police reforms. So Lord Cornwallis, when he was the Governor General of Bengal during the period 1796 to 1803, he introduced several administrative reforms, judicial reforms, land revenue system. These are all things which are attributed to the governorship of Lord Cornwallis. I hope the things are very clear to you. with this video, and generally the question comes in the examination, who is called as the father of civil services in India? Your answer should be Lord Cornwallis. The another question that comes in the examination, who introduced the Permanent Settlement Act? The Permanent Settlement Act was introduced Lord Cornwallis, which is also known as the Jamindari system or the Sunset Law. He introduced the Izardari system. He was the one who codified the laws and separated the revenue system from the revenue administration from the judicial system, and the most important thing that the third Anglo-Mysore war had taken place during his tenure, wherein Tipu Sultan he was defeated and Tipu Sultan had to sign the Treaty of Sri Rangapatnam. These are all things which are attributed with the Lord Cornwallis. I hope the things are very clear to you. If at all question comes on Lord Cornwallis, I don't think there would be any problem in writing the answer, the correct answer for such questions which are asked on Lord Cornwallis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.